Starting up your business is one thing. Getting people to trust you enough to patronize you is another thing. So the question is this: in this competitive world, how do you get people to trust you as a young business owner? In this video, we're going to be sharing tips on how to get people to trust you even as a young business owner. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chezzy. So today we're going to be giving you tips on how to get people to trust you as a business owner. Let's dive into it. Before then, remember to drink your water and save your kidney. So let's dive into it. Number one, show us your face. You have to note this. People do not buy logo, people do not buy flyers, people buy people. So if there's a reason why you should start posting your face, it's the fact that people love buying from people that they see their faces. You are not a ghost. You not posting your face once in a while can be the reason why people are not entrusting you with their money, because everybody is scared. What if you're a scammer? What if you are just posing as a genuine vendor when you are just here to eat our money? So please do not give people reasons to talk. You just posting your face may be the reason why somebody will fall in love with your personality and just patronize you. Just because of they love how you smile, they love how you talk, they just love you as a person. You can engage us in storytelling. It can just be a selfie, it can just be a picture, it can just be a Snapchat video, it can just be anything. You can give us a snippet of how your day went. It can be how your business started, what were your inspirations, and all of that. Please do not be so uptight in your business. I know you want to hit 1 million naira this year. Hey, I know you want to hit 1 million naira in a week. That's why you're hustling so hard, right? They tell you to post your business 5 times in a day. That's okay. But please, once in a while, show us your face. We want to see whom we are entrusting our money to. We want to fall in love with your personality. If there is one thing you should go home with today, note this: that people buy people. People do not buy logo. People do not buy flyer. Number two, the second point is show us reviews. One of the reasons that people stick to a particular brand is because they see the testimonies of other people that have bought the goods. So if you receive feedback from your customer, please do well to share it on your social media platforms. It helps your new audience to get comfortable with buying from you. You know, posting reviews may be the reason why people are not so comfortable buying from you. They feel that you're not doing well. They feel that your customers are not happy with your services. So you're the one to make us believe what we should believe about your business. You're the make us see your business in a light that you want us to see. You're the one to make us believe that your business is doing well from the testimonies of others that have patronized you before us. We are your audience. So whatever you show us is what we believe. If you just started your business, here is what you can do. Give a discount to 2 or 3 persons and tell them to give you a genuine feedback after they have received their product or after you have rendered your services. A practical example can be this: give us a pictorial representation of your before your service and after your service. For example, if you're into hairstyling, show us how the hair was before you started styling and how it is now after you have styled finish. So please try to engage us more by showing us a before picture and after picture. Make it more practical in your business. Number three thing is create valuable content. As a business owner, make your content educational for your audience. If you are into hair, it's good to give us DIY videos on how to maintain our hairs. One of the things you should put into consideration before making a post is, what are the challenges that my customers face? If you're a hair vendor, you will get to know that people find it difficult to style their hair. If you're in the clothing business, one of the things you should do also is to tell us how to style our clothes. You can get 3 pieces of clothes and style it differently. That way, you're getting your customers engaged and you are giving us valuable content. You're giving us knowledge on how to style our clothes. It will make people stick by you and trust you, that not just that you know what you are doing, but you understand your business well and you have knowledge to share to audience. People stick with where they get freebies. It can be knowledge, it can be anything. So please do well to share knowledge. The fourth thing is your packaging. Package excellently. Hands on your packaging. There should be a bit of excellence in your packaging. Please do not overdo yourself. You're not in competition with anybody. Do not start competing with the big business owners. Start from where you are. But please, there should be a bit of excellence in how you package your good. Also, I advise for first-time customers, either you give a discount or you put small freebies It can be anything. It can be candy, it can be accessories like lip gloss, hair cream, hair wherever, hair serum, koi keeper, comb, whatever. People love it when they see extra in their package. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope I was able to give you tips on how to get people to trust you. See you in my next video. Mwah!